Hi guys, in this video we will see how to clear wallpaper caches of your Windows 11 and 10 system. Clear permissions and caches of your wallpaper settings. Here are the process. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. Run dialog box will now open. Here in run dialog box type the command %appdata%. Click on OK. This command will open File Explorer or Windows Explorer in your system. Here under available items, look for the item Microsoft. Apply a double click on it to open its folder. Here open Windows folder. Here scroll down and at the end of the page you will find the folder themes. Open it. Apply a double click on it to open, and here you will find track coded wallpaper. Simply select it and choose delete. Your wallpaper caches will successfully cleared. That's all.